Hi there, this is Wes from Love American Homes, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Big Dog app with the REI Grow website. So the easiest way to do this is to use a computer in a browser and open up a couple tabs. As you see here, I have a couple tabs. I have my dashboard for the REI Grow site and my app open up in two different tabs. I also have my list of URLs for my REI Grow site, which we'll need to put in the API settings on your Big Dog app. Okay, to get started, open up your Big Dog app in a web browser. Scroll down to REI Grow add-on and click on API settings. So all of your information required for your settings are located here in the plus. So for my seller website, buyer website, and investor website. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to grab my URL for We Buy Houses, and I'm going to copy that into the domain name spot. And then I'm going to grab, so clicking on this plus under REI Grow Seller Website Variables, we'll have a bunch of information here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this information into the relevant website. So you'll have to go through this 3 times with each website individually, but I'll show you how to do that, and it's very easy. Okay, so once we have this open and the URL put into the domain name there field, we're going to go to our REI Grow dashboard. When you log into the dashboard, it'll show up here. You should have received your dashboard in your initial email to set this up. The next thing we're going to do is go to Forms. And here I want to go to Settings. You can do that from clicking Edit or Settings. So I'm going to go Settings, and I'm going to click Confirmation. So this is for Seller Lead Magnet 1. I'm going to go Edit. And I'm going to select Redirect. The redirect URL is the URL provided right here. So I'll copy that, Control C, and then I will place it right here. And then I'm going to check off Redirect Query String, and I'm going to get the next copy and paste information. So this is the information here for step 1, including your API key. I'm going to copy that. So if you are uncertain how to copy, most computers, you can highlight the information and then right click and then go copy. And you can do the same here by right clicking and click paste or Control V. From now on, I'll be using Control V. And that's it. Just click Save Confirmation. You'll get a colorful little green success. And then to change to the next one, all you have to do is you can either go back to Forms, or you can click on this little drop down here, and then that drop down, and we're going to go to Lead Magnet Step 2. So it'll go there. It'll go to the Form Settings page. Once you go again to Confirmations, click Edit, change to Redirect. I'm going to go and grab that redirect URL. It's the same for all the sites. Oops. I'm going to put that in here. Again, I'm going to click the pass field data via query string. And then I'm going to head over and I'm going to grab the Lead Magnet Step 2 information. Yeah, so we're going to copy and paste this into this variable here. Once that's done, click Save Confirmation. Okay, that's done. So I'm going to go back here and I'm just going to save it because I put this URL in here, and then that's required. So make sure when you copy and paste that you do not put the HTTP in there or the www dot. Okay. So I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click Save. And then we're going to go to the buyer website. So the buyer website, I've got, again, the URL is copied into a sheet. This URL looks a little funny just because I pointed it differently. And then we're going to paste it in the buyer website URL. And I'm going to click on the plus button again. And so for this, there's two options, or two variables that you have to copy and paste. And this is on a different site. So it's not actually on the We Buy Houses. And the easiest way to get to your next website is to go to your dashboard. And you could go straight there by clicking on My Sites. So I'll go to My Sites. And then I can open this up. So I'm going to right click it and I'm going to open a new tab. Okay. And then once here, we're going to go through the same process. We're going to go to Forms. So Owner Finance Lead Magnet 1, it might just say Form 1 Lead Magnet. So I'll go back here. I'm going to click on Settings. I'm going to go to Confirmations. I'm going to edit the default confirmation here. I'm going to select Redirect. And this time we are going to grab the same redirect URL right here. Again, it's the same for all of them, so you could copy and paste that into something else if you like. We're going to click the Pass Field Data via Query String, and then I'm going to copy. This one's a little smaller than the rest, but I'm going to copy this. So Control C, and then I'm going to go Control V, and I'm going to save. And then next, I'm going to go up to this little drop down. I'm going to select Step 2. Go to Confirmations. Go Edit. And again, we're going to grab the redirect URL. I'm going to click Redirect. Put that in there. And then I'm going to grab the next chunk of query string. I'm going to Control C. And then I'm going to Control V right there. And then I'm going to click Save again. Okay. And then that's for your seller website. Sorry, your buyer website. Again, since I've put the buyer website URL here, I'm just going to save it just so I don't lose my information. Great, it's saved. And then we're going to do the investor website. So again, you can get to that from the main account under My Sites, and then click on Dashboard. And then again, we're going to go to Forms. And you'll see the three here: Investor 1 and Buyer Lead Magnet, Investor 1 Contractor Lead Magnet, and Lender Lead Magnet. So I'm going to do the first one. Highlight Settings, click Confirmations. Again, if you just click on Settings from under it, it'll take you to the form settings. You can just click on Confirmation from here. So I'm going to edit the confirmation. First, I'm actually going to grab my domain name before I forget, and I'm going to put that right here. Okay, and then we're going to click on the plus button. We're going to grab the redirect URL. We're going to click on redirect, put that in there, click on the pass field data via query string, go back to the app website, and we're going to grab this big chunk of code here. We're going to head back over here and copy or paste that straight in. Click on Save Confirmation. Next, we're going to use the drop down again. We're going to go to Contractor. And we're going to go to Confirmations. We're going to go Edit. We're going to go Redirect. Again, just going to grab the redirect URL for contractors. Copy that in. Check that off. Then we're going to grab this large chunk of code. Copy that right in there. We're going to click on Save. And then we're going to do the last one, which is Lender. Confirmations. Edit the confirmation. Head over. We're going to grab the redirect URL. We're going to select redirect. Paste that in there. Pass field via query string. And we're going to grab this chunk of code here. Copy that in and click Save. Now to test this out, you can easily go to your website. So you can highlight this and go visit website. So I'm just going to save this before I forget again. So save it on your app. Okay, I'm going to head back to dashboard. So here it is. We just simply need to enter our information. I'm going to let autofill do that. I'm going to use a December 16th just so I know it's the right lead. And then click get an offer. So it auto fills out a bunch of this information, which is what the pass through does. I'm going to leave most of this as just what it is for simplistic sake. Get an offer, redirect us to the thank you page. And then to test that, we can go in here. We can go down to, so that was a buyer. Right. Oh, that's seller. So go up to seller. Go down to my deals. Go to new. And it's right here. So it worked. Anyways, if you have any questions, please feel free to email us at support@loveamericanhomes.com.